Roman numerals 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. If this shit
I'm gonna go.
Covering prior to putting the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic band around your head and tighten by pulling on the ends. Secure your own mask before helping others. Oxygen will be flowing to the mask even though the bag may not deflate. In the unlikely event of a water leak, the life vest is located under your seat. To retrieve the life vest pouch from its container, insert along the perforated edge and remove the life vest from the pouch. In the event of an emergency, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. Thank you for your attention. Welcome aboard.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Try to keep it peaceful, it's a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Just to see the things that they wishing on me. God's plan, God's plan.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another travel vlog. We are back in Mexico at the Royalton Splash. If you've seen my vlog when we was here, the resort wasn't finished yet. The Royalton Splash is a new resort, but they still have certain areas that they're doing construction in. They had just did the water park and they was still in the midst of renovating and doing everything, so we decided to bring the kids back because I kept saying in that vlog I wanted to bring my kids back here. This is probably the best water park resort in Mexico. We are really big on lazy river, so if you love a good lazy river, this is the best place to come to. Anyway, we just got here. The kids are in there getting themselves ready for dinner. It is so beautiful. The weather is 86 degrees. If you've seen my last travel vlog, which was for my birthday, we went to Antigua. I didn't vlog that a lot. I'm definitely going to vlog this one. So not only are we here celebrating my husband's birthday yet again, we did celebrate his birthday here 2 years ago. We are celebrating Makayla graduating from high school as well. And it is also spring break, so it is super, super crowded here. But the view is insane and I'm so happy and excited to be here. My morale is a little down because I am tired. We have been up since like 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go and get cleaned up and everything, but let me just show you the view that we got this time. We basically got the same room, so I didn't do like a full room tour, but here's the jacuzzi outdoor terrace that we have, and here is the view. So we did the oceanfront jacuzzi front terrace. I believe that's what the name of this room is, and you can see everything from this side. So the small lazy river is over that way, and then on this side is the kids water park and also the lazy river as well. You can only see a partial bit of the lazy river, but I'm gonna show you that of course when we get downstairs. So we left out the room, surprisingly, right? Because usually y'all know on my travel vlogs we don't go nowhere the first day, we chilling, but we about to go down to lunch because it's super early. We did get here early today, couldn't check in until 3 o'clock. But we are hungry, so we're gonna go get something to eat. We had this bar called Scores. It's like it's 24 hours, I'm not sure, but we just came here to grab something to eat once we hungry. And it's so nice because it's jam-packed here. I brought a new action camera, y'all. I can't wait to show you what it look like. I'm gonna open it up and vlog a little bit with it when we get back to the room. I haven't charged it enough yet, but I'm excited.
You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun.
Thank you.
You are my sunshine.
LuVs made us some strawberry daiquiri. It looks so good. But I haven't had a strawberry daiquiri in a while. Y'all know I'm a pina colada girl, but it's really, really good. They're setting up for their little Easter shindig tonight. I think they're having a silent show or something tonight. I'm tired now. We done ate. Food was so, so good at this spot, Scores. Food was really, really good. It was good the last time we was here too. Yeah, I heard you. They playing Uno. They playing Uno. They playing Uno. I didn't bring out Uno. How is it, Vaughn? It's good?
Yeah.
That's what's up. How is it, Makayla? It's good, Kayla.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
How is it, my love? It is.
Before
we go back to the room, might as well want to see what the gym look like. Doubt if I'll be getting there today, but I promise I'm going to be starting when we get back home. Oh no, this is spa over here, and this is the fitness center over here. Yeah, we did come up here the last time, but I ain't go in. So it's a few hours later. later. We are heading to the neon silent party, but I got this neon colored dress on. So did Makayla. If you can see it down there. And they got on there like Easter colors as well. The kids never been to a silent party before. I think it'll be really, really cool. So we're going down here. We chilled in the room for a little bit and watched a really good movie. I think it was Geostorm. I like movies like that. I am tired AF, but we gonna go down here. All right, so it's pretty thick down here. I'm pretty sure they ain't got this many damn headphones for all these people. Good morning. It's officially our first full day here. Well, technically yesterday was a full day too because we got here super early. But me and Makayla got up around 6:30, went out to the pool just to save a seat. And when I tell you it's already jam-packed with it being spring break, it's jam-packed. Sorry, that's my husband's bathroom. But it's jam-packed out there. And we was only able to find one seat. It's hella people outside. But this is the action camera that I just purchased right before we left for our vacation. And this is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I decided to get this one instead of the Action 5, which y'all know my main camera is my Osmo Pocket 3. I love everything about it, but nothing against it. I think you can't go wrong with either one. Bless you. But I wanted this one because it's just certain specs that I love about it. So we're going to unbox it. I really wished that I already had this charged up because we are about to go down to the pool. Hopefully it don't take too long to charge up because we almost ready to go out the door. So this is my Ace Pro 2. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing, show you everything that comes with it. It does come with a second battery and it's already inside here, so there it goes. I'm trying to see how you flip up the screen. Oh, like this. So this is why I really like this camera, because it has a flip up screen like that you can see. I mean, with an action camera, it's so nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the charger. I'm not going through all of the specs and stuff like that. I just want to try it out while we're here on vacation. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did buy some stuff for the Ace Pro 2, like this little case right here to protect it from like salt water or chlorine, stuff like that. And then I also brought some covers for the lenses. So I'm gonna put this on before I use it, but I probably won't be able to use it today. I'm gonna let it charge up. Yesterday, we spent most of our time at the water park, just enjoying everything that the resort had to offer. We had a really good time. Again, this is not my first time here. The kids is having a ball, but it is super crowded because of spring break, and all the kids is just out and about and enjoying themselves. But we had a really, really nice time yesterday. So let's see. Let me recap real quick. After the water park, we went to brunch, and then we had reservations for this Indian restaurant called Taj. My husband and Makayla had curry, and me and Devon had, I'll put the name here because I'm gonna butcher it, I don't even know. But the food was super, super good. And then we went to entertainment last night, which was a circus show. it's the next morning. We are about to go to breakfast and then hit the water park. I did get up around 6:30 this morning to save us some seats. Hopefully they still there. I'm going to be vlogging with my Ace Pro 2. I have it all set up. It's all charged. I didn't change any of the settings in it yet, but I want to give it a try. The only thing is I have to take this 1 month off right here for it to be waterproof and put the waterproof guard on it. So I'm not sure how good the audio will sound if I'm vlogging from it, but I'm super excited to go out to the water park. It's such a beautiful day. It's such a beautiful morning. And I got this super bright cover up on. Real childish. I try to keep all of my bathing suits and stuff kid friendly when I'm with the kids because, you know, the ass will swallow it up. First time filming with my Ace Pro 2. I just wonder how good it sounds because I had a hard time with the audio on my old GoPro. But it's so beautiful. I didn't change any of the settings except for 4K 60. That's it. Alright, so I just put the waterproof little piece on my Insta 360. I don't know how good the audio sound with that on there, but it's on there just in case I'm dipping underwater. So we're in the pool, and this is the view. Again, I'm filming everything in auto. I don't have any specific settings besides 4K 60.
Somebody get something to drink.
Why you feel like having this around you? Did you check it? Make sure it's good?
Yeah, it's good. She said you checked it.
Alright. It's good. It's just
yeah, that's it. Once that go up.
So again, this is just an audio test to see how good it sounds. Why are you putting this around my head? Like I'm the little tech lady.
Hold up.
Why?
Make sure.
You choking me.
I ain't putting that on.
We're Aquawoman so I could try my camera for the first time underwater.
Come on. Give us something.
And what's the theme song to Wonder Woman? Wait, I wasn't ready. It is many hours later since y'all last saw us out in the pool. Majority of this vacation is spent with us at the water park because that's what we came here for. We knew the kids would enjoy it. We have not hit the slides yet. So now that I have my Ace Pro 2 all set up and charged up, we're going to do that tomorrow, which is actually my husband's birthday. While we was getting dressed and ready for dinner, one of the room services brought my husband up a bottle of champagne and some really nice little treats for us to snack on to celebrate his birthday, which is tomorrow. That was a nice little gift that they sent to us. That was super sweet. So we are getting ready to go to the Smoke Grilled Steakhouse or Smoke Grill Barbecue House. I'm sorry, Smoke Grill Barbecue House. We didn't get a chance to eat there the last time we was here, so this will be our first time going there. And of course, I'm gonna take you along with us so you can see what the food look like and what we decide to order. Tonight is Michael Jackson, so we're gonna see how this Michael Jackson did. Yeah, it's still nice and crowded. It's not as crazy as it was the other day, but it's a beautiful breeze blowing out here, and I just love being out here on the patio. It is so beautiful. But anyway, I have to come out here and talk to y'all anyway because they watching TV and playing music at the same time and I don't want to get a copyright. I hope y'all are enjoying our vlog so far. Just me documenting my family and I on vacation here for spring break. We are celebrating my husband's birthday and Makayla graduating next week from high school. So super exciting stuff going on, and I'm just so blessed and happy and so proud of her and just feeling good right about now. No, I'm not. Look at Makayla, her cute outfit. She looks so nice. She got her little flower in her hair. And here's Devon with his nice outfit. Don't he look so handsome? He got on his green. This is mommy's outfit.
You just recording me?
I'm recording you now. Here's my handsome husband with his outfit.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fountain without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though.
That's pretty. Here, your phone. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
That's something y'all gonna dream about tonight. Good morning, well good afternoon now, it's pretty late. We are here with the birthday boy, celebrating his birthday. And there's the kitties. We're about to go to the water park and get on some slides. And I have my Ace Pro 2. And I'm gonna try my best to vlog everything. Hopefully that's nice and clear. Only thing I wonder is how does it sound? Because I got my waterproof piece on and not the wind muff. So hopefully y'all can still hear me. The audio sound pretty good. Give me some glare. Hold on.
Love me or hate me, God knows you made it. Many ladies' eyes on me. Yucky, ninny, 내 발을 보는 눈빛이 이미 다 말해줘. Ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. You just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna stop down. Everyone just wanna get to know you. 이미 시작된 걸.
We are heading to dinner for husband's birthday. He's back there. And there's Devon. And there's Makayla.